Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Tube Mint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics tracking code to your Shopify store. So let's get started. There are a few assumptions that you know what is Google Analytics and how to sign up for it. So let's get started. Go ahead and launch your default browser. Log into your Shopify store admin area. And then, okay, so let me quickly log into my Shopify store. So here we go. And I'm in the Shopify. Here you can see. Now the other thing that I assume that you already have done is you have signed up for Google Analytics and you are logged in to Google Analytics. Also, I assume that you know how to add property to your Google Analytics account. If you don't know, let me quickly tell you how you can do this. So simply go ahead and sign in to your Google Analytics account. And you can see at the left bottom, you have this admin section. So go ahead and click on it. And from here you can create your property. If you have multiple properties, go ahead and select the right property. It must be the Shopify store property, the same domain name. This is just for demonstration purpose, but you have to have this property added to analytics to get the tracking code. So in my case, I can go ahead and click on create property, name the property, select your region, currency, advanced option if you want to have a look, and then hit next. And let's say this is a random thing here. So these are a few options that you want to select and create, and then you will have to type in your domain name, verify it, and if it's already verified with your Google Search Console, then it will automatically do everything for you. So I assume that you already have added your property to your Google Analytics tool, and now you're looking for just tracking code. So simply go ahead and select your property by clicking this drop down menu and then go to tracking info and then click this tracking code. Okay, so here we go. Make sure the right property is selected and you have clicked tracking info, tracking code. So this is tracking code. Okay, right click, select everything, copy it. This is your tracking ID. If you're using some specific app in Shopify and asking for tracking ID, this is the tracking ID. Okay, now here let's get back to this Shopify store. So there are lots of apps that you can download and install to add and manage your tracking info, tracking codes and verification codes, but Shopify luckily gives us a lot of options here. We'll go to online store here and go to preferences. Okay, so it's very simple. Log into your Shopify store admin area, click on online store and then go to preferences, and here are a few options. Google Analytics. How do I set this up? So you must upgrade to the latest version of Google Analytics in order to enhance the e-commerce. So it's very simple. Paste your code from Google. Now, so this is where learn about Google Analytics. Google Analytics. So if you don't know what is Google Analytics, you can learn about how do I set this up. You can also read this help Shopify blog post. And setting up Google Analytics, setting up Google Analytics goals and funnels. So these are a few things that you want to, as a kind of store owner, definitely want to understand what are Google Analytics goals, excluding referrers domain from Google Analytics, tracking Google Tag Manager. These are a few advanced concepts that you definitely want to delve into as a Shopify store owner. So that's how you add your Google Analytics code, tracking code here. And there are few things that you can manage and enable here on this preferences page, which are very good. You definitely want to write homepage meta title and meta description. This is where you can add social sharing image. This happens to be the logo. Google Facebook pixel, you can set it up from here. These are few customer privacy that you can just check to be enabled. Now I can go ahead and hit save, and the tracking code from Google Analytics has been added to my Shopify store. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you. Bye for now.